Nice, good boy, Max. You've just given a little bit of mouth. He's being so good.
Get him, Max.
You're being so good.
Get him, Max. You're a big boy. You want to be a big boy.
Pretty soon, the two of them are going to be the same.
Same size. Oh, yeah.
His Max paws, his paws are big. He doesn't realize how big his paws are sometimes when he bats at you.
Get him, Max. Get him, Max. Really? Who's vocalizing? That's your new buddy.
I should drop him off over here on my way to work for a plate.